Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Welcome to this new academic session. In this video, I'll start with Geography, Chapter 1, Resources. In the first chapter, we will learn what is a resource, type of resources, and its conservation. Now let's try to understand what is a resource. Anything on earth that satisfies our needs is a resource. Now students, while watching this video, I want you to just look around and observe. You will be able to identify many types of resources. For example, water. Water is a resource because we use water. Similarly, I can say books, vegetables, trees. All these are resources because we use them in our daily life in one way or the another. Now, the usability of anything gives it a value. Value means worth. Further, value can be categorized as economic value and aesthetic value. The resources which can be bought or sold, they have economic value. The things concerned with the beauty of nature comes in the category of aesthetic value. Students with time and technology and with ideas of the people, new inventions and discoveries are made. The resources in this way acquire value and help in economic development of a country. For example, discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking, and invention of wheel resulted in newer modes of transport. Thus, people themselves are the greatest resource of all and are sometimes known as spatial resources. Now, here I would like to ask you a question. Students, are you also a resource? If yes, how? Well, because you help your parents in the household work, you are a great help to them. But the answer is no, because you are economically unproductive and need to be provided with food, clothing, education, and medical care. So you are still dependent on your parents. Now let's study the types of resources. Resources can be classified into three main types: natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Let us now understand each of them in detail. Let us begin with the natural resources. Resources that are drawn from the nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Students, can you think any of them? Well, the air we breathe, water in our rivers, the soils, minerals, all are natural resources. Human-made resources are the resources that we have built up. Now, can you list out at least 5 human-made resources that you can observe around you? Well, machinery, roads, buildings, and all these are made with the help of technology. Therefore, technology is also a human-made resource. And finally, we have the most important resource, that is human resources. That is we. We the people with knowledge and expertise have the ability to work. And development of human resource is what is known as HRD. That is human resource development. Students, people as human resources are important because they can make the best uses of nature to create more resources by applying knowledge, skills and technology. And efficiently minimizing the depletion of natural resources. We all have to change the negligent attitude towards the environment and give up on harmful practices which harm our surroundings. Students, I am sure that now you all will definitely be very careful in using the resources around you.